Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your home screen sliding effect in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the settings, swipe down, you can see here it is personalization. Just click on it, swipe down, you can see magazine lock screen. Click on it and you have to enable both of them. You can see every time the screen light up, magazine content will be shown. Swipe left on the lock screen to browse fabulous content, and you have to just power off and turn on. You can see when you just slide right, you can see it automatically change the slide. You can see the effects. This is how you can change your wallpaper by sliding it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.